Sanibonani guys, naniyazi ukuthi mina ngibona kwama-screen enu kusho khona ukuthi nginiphathele isigaxa sendaba. Guys, I hope that niba safe out there because it is not safe. Apparently there are 6 men abayenze lento lebizwa nge-prison break. Amaphoyisa athi no man, bebekade bebophela abafana laba yabo abayi-6. Bebabophile kanjalo okay shabo bazenzela nje ama-night duties abo. Omunye wabo uthi hayi man, buka phela ipipe lamanzi asambe siyo-check ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mebehamba beyo-check ukuthi kwenzakalani, ayibo bayabona ukuthi no lento le pipe leli liqhumile. Bese be-checkisisa kahle babona ukuthi even the structure of the building like nje khona ihole kubhoboziwe. Actually labantu laba bebuka i-prison break kakhulu because that's what happened kule movie le ibizwa nge-prison break. Sana benze ihole, abafana bapotshana ngaphakathi, bahamba emapayipini, bahamba kwamaswireji baze bayophumela ngaphandle. So these men were arrested on multiple counts. Like they were murders, they were rapists, possession of illegal firearms, and sorry guys, I'm feeling a bit drowsy because of itripopat. So guys, to babalekile, to babalekile, and manje lo oyi-1 was rearrested because they found him around 2:30 a.m. on the 30th of November. So yeah guys, ngicela nibe safe ngaphandle. Menza ugibela ama-Uber, ngicela ukuthi nibheke ama-screenshots nibone ukuthi none of these men are your Uber drivers before you guys get raped, like honestly, or murdered, you know, or like whatever. Like just, can we all just be safe? But if you have any information on these 6 guys, 5 now because 1 is already in prison again, well, custody again. If you have any information on these 5, please let the police know, please guys.